Lighting is responsible for majority of image quality problems in a vision system, and it's the last thing most engineers check. In this video, I'm going to give you 4 questions that tell you whether yours is the problem. I'm Raghava, founder of Qualitas, and at Qualitas we've deployed over 200 vision systems globally. Most engineers, when a vision system starts missing defects, will look at the model, the thresholds, the software configuration. Lighting is usually the last thing to check, because it's not obvious how to check it, and because it was working fine when the system was commissioned. But lighting changes, and the change is usually slow enough to be invisible. Now there are 4 questions that you need to ask. Question 1. Has the light output changed since installation? LED lights degrade over time. Their output drops gradually, not dramatically, but enough to affect contrast on subtle defects. If your system is more than a year old and you haven't measured light intensity recently, this is worth checking before anything else. Question 2. Does performance vary between shifts? If the system works better in the morning than in the evening, or differently on weekdays than weekends, the culprit is almost always ambient light. Daylight, through windows, different overhead lights being on or off, these create different lighting or environmental conditions for the camera, even though nothing on the machine has changed. Question 3. Are there reflective or shiny surfaces on the part? Reflective surfaces are particularly sensitive to lighting geometry. A small change in part position or wear on a fixture can change the angle at which light reflects towards the camera and turn a high contrast image of a defect into a washed out reflection. If your parts are shiny and your lighting is a ring light directly above, this is a common failure mode. 4. And the final question is, when did you last clean the lighting unit? Dust accumulation on diffusers and lens covers reduces light output significantly, sometimes by 20 to 30% over 6 months in a dusty environment. A clean and an intensity check are reasonable first response to any performance issues before you escalate further. If you answer yes to any of the questions, lighting is your first diagnostic stop. If you're selecting or redesigning your lighting setup, the Lighting Selector in our Image Acquisition Toolkit walks you through the right type for your application. Comment Toolkit below to get on the wait list and be one of the first to receive this. Thank you.